Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase all data from your Apple Watch. First, you should always unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone. This step is crucial for automatically backing up your watch's data. Before beginning, make sure both your Apple Watch and your iPhone have at least 50% battery charge. This prevents any unexpected interruptions during the process. It is a simple first step. To unpair your device, begin by opening the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. Navigate to the My Watch tab, then tap All Watches located in the upper left corner of your screen. Locate the small information icon next to the name of the watch you intend to unpair. Tap on this icon, then simply select Unpair Apple Watch and confirm your choice when prompted. This removes the connection. If you need to erase your Apple Watch and it is currently not paired with an iPhone, you can perform a direct erase. Start by opening the Settings application on your Apple Watch. Scroll down and tap on General, then Find and tap Reset. Finally, select Erase All Content and Settings. You may need to enter your watch's 4-digit passcode to authorize the complete data wipe. This ensures security. After initiating the erase, your Apple Watch will display a final confirmation prompt. This is your last chance to review before proceeding. Confirming this action will permanently remove all personal information, stored media, app data, and customized settings from your device. Once confirmed, the watch will restart, returning to its factory default state. It will essentially be like a brand new device, ready for setup. This process is irreversible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.